Hey guys, welcome back to another What Sold video. What did we sell this week? So I'm going to show you some items. You might see some different shirts because I'm going to try to film these daily and just put one together every couple days. Instead of showing you pictures up on the screens, I want to show you the actual item. It's gonna be a little bit different. It might save me some time, it might not. I'm not sure. I normally package up all my items in the mornings, so it's kind of like I'm gonna try to film in the mornings before work, or film at night when the stuff sells. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this yet, but I wanted to do this a little bit differently. Instead of showing you the picture up here, I wanna show you the actual item. So the first item we have going out is this Scrubbing Bubbles Toilet Cleaning Gel. It shocks me that stuff like this sells because you can go anywhere and buy it. You can go to Walmart, your local grocery store, sometimes even your local convenience store, and you can buy these. We picked this up at a yard sale for 50 cents. It sold for $6.99 plus shipping. And all it is just one dispenser and 6 gel stamps. I mean, it's not like it's a, I just saw these in Walmart this morning, but hey, it sold. So we're happy with that. So the next item going out is the Civil War soundtrack from 1990. This is by Ken Burns. Picked this up at the Goodwill bins, probably maybe 10 cents into it. It sold for $6.99 plus shipping. The next thing, Stance socks. We sell them all the time. We usually don't keep them here that long. These are the baseball ones. These were the Toronto Blue Jays. It has the logo on there. Super cool. Retail price on these are $23.99. We picked these up at Ross for $3. These ones sold for $14.79 plus shipping. So guys, the next sale we have is very monumental, let's say. This was our first Poshmark sale. We sold the North Face jacket right here. It's black North Face jacket. We got the big Yinzer looking at me over here, but that's okay. It is a size XX. We sold this on Poshmark. We had it listed for 20 bucks. Took a best offer of 18 after we countered the buyer. Super excited to finally have a Poshmark sale. It's our first one of hopefully many. The next two items we have going out, we have P90X replacement disc, chest and back. A little tongue tied there. And we also have the P90X back and biceps disc number 10. Both of these are going out. They sold for $9.98 plus shipping. These are heading out. I think they were going out to California, I think it was again. We've had a lot of stuff going to California recently, but it's nice to get these out of here. You know, we bought the P90X set instead of selling it whole because it didn't seem to sell for that much. We decided to break it out. We're selling these for $4.99 each, and we're selling through them pretty good. We have a couple discs left, and then they'll be out of here. So pretty good little sale here. And hey, remember, all the little sales add up. So the next thing we have going out is this sealed Ghostly Apparitions DVD. Some people who do the horror stuff and Halloween stuff might know more about this, but it says it requires a DVD player and TV monitor or a projector. But it looks like you can project ghostly scenes on your windows. Perfect for the holidays, perfect for Halloween. We picked this up at Goodwill for 50 or 75 cents. I could not remember. I tried to look back and I couldn't figure out when. This thing does sell really well. It actually sells really well pre-owned, but it sells even better when it's sealed, which I found one. And the only reason I picked it up was because it was sealed. I didn't even check the sold comps in the store. So we had it listed for a while. Got tons of lowball offers. We didn't take it. Actually, somebody sent over an offer of $15. I countered them at 20. We had it listed at $29.99. 2 minutes after I sent over the counter offer of $20, somebody went in, hit the buy it now. We got $29.99 for this plus shipping. So hey, having 50 cents or 75 cents into it and turning it around for a $29 profit, maybe after fees and stuff, or maybe looking at $27. Right around there. I'm not sure exactly the percentage it was taken, but still really good profit on this sealed DVD. So keep your eyes open for this, especially around this time of year. Hey guys, happy Tuesday. I got some sales already to start out this Tuesday morning. So I'm doing some work here at home and I wanted to get these packaged up. So I'm going to show you what we sold overnight. First thing is this vintage Frisette Republics. This is a 16-ounce can or container. A little pop top lid and whatnot. We picked these up for $1 at a yard sale. We had the half-gallon one, and we had, I think, 3 of these. So we just sold this one, best offer, $6 plus shipping. So $1 into $6, we'll take that every day. And probably the one sale that I knew was going to happen, it was just going to take time, but it didn't take much time at all. It took 2 days from when I listed. If you follow us on Instagram, you already know what this was because we posted on Instagram too. We're trying to post more on Instagram. So if you haven't followed us on Instagram yet, follow us. Link is down below. This was the Craftsman garage door monitor, brand new in package. Picked this up for $3 at a community yard sale. It sold for $88.99 plus shipping. So 2 good sales overnight from Monday into Tuesday. We'll take that every day. Okay guys, so the next item going out is this pair of brown dress pants. They're size 44 by 30, Perry Ellis, non-iron. We paid $1 for these at a recent yard sale, maybe a month or so ago. $10 plus shipping on these. Even though I said in the previous video, dress pants normally don't sell. If you can find the expensive ones with the tags, they normally will move a little bit, but you have to find them cheap. So the next thing we have going out is this George and Basic Shapes font cartridge. It was for the Cricut. Like I said, we had a Cricut. We had some of these cartridges and stuff. We don't use the Cricut. And I went to go sell it. I tested it, and it was not working for some unknown reason. So I'm really glad I sold these. We got $7.99 plus shipping on this, and all it is, it looks like it's just a little cartridge it plugs in, and this one actually has the keyboard too. So we finally got all the Cricut stuff out of here. The only thing we have left is the Cricut power cord, which will be listed hopefully this week. So the next thing going out is Popular Mechanics Do-It-Yourself Encyclopedia Volume 1. We picked these all up at the Goodwill bins. I still don't remember how much we paid for them, but we got 1 through 16 with 2 number 1s. We finally sold a number 1. We still got 1 number 1 left. $3.09 plus shipping. This will go out medium mail, and these actually fit perfectly in a record box. So fold up the record box, put this right in the middle. It actually ships well. It actually look like this once it's ready to go. So super thin, but perfect. The book doesn't move. Good way to ship out these books so they stay safe. So next we have going out the Yeti Slim Can Coaster. This is the one that fits like the 12-ounce slim cans, the spiked seltzers, good for a beach day and cabin weekends. This is in the ice pink color. This one's starting to become hard to find. You can still find it, but it's not that easy anymore. They quit making this color, so this is another color of Yetis to look out for. This along with the prickly pear, which is more of the dark pink, and also the king crab orange. Those are the 3 colors right now that if you find them, pick them up, along with the camouflage too. But those ones are very rare to find out in the wild right now. We sold this for $27 plus shipping. If you can find these, buy them. Now, I heard people say that you can get Veroed on eBay for them. So far, we've been lucky and haven't had any issues. I mean, they are brand new and whatnot, but I guess we'll see what happens. So we still have a few more of these ones left, I think. Actually, we only have 1 more of these ones left. We have some of the prickly pear ones left, and I think we have some of the king crab orange ones left also, which is another popular color. So the next order we have going out is going to be this 35mm film. 3 rolls. This actually came with a camera that we bought, and we didn't even know it was in there. It was kind of buried in there. We bought it for the camera, but this was an added bonus. We got $9.99 plus shipping for 3 rolls of expired 35mm film. So keep your eyes open for this film. People buy it. Maybe some colleges and high schools and stuff like that maybe still use this. Also, guys, I'm going to add a clip in right now of a package that we got at our P.O. box from a follower. So sit tight and watch this while I open the package. We stopped by the post office today to mail an item from eBay, and we checked the P.O. box. And guess what? We have a package. Fragile stickers. I'm almost positive I know what it is, but we're going to open it up here, and we're going to see what it is and see what one of our subscribers sent, because we want to give them the shout out. So I'm going to wait to shout them out for a second, because I still think I know who it is, because they said that they were sending us something. I really don't want to know how I should open this, because I don't want to rip anything. So let's see. So the paper. Okay, so it looks like it's wrapped up. Let's see. Okay. See what it is. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. Oh, that's cool. So, there's no note in here, but I'm almost 100% sure this is from Kathy's World. And also her husband and her also have a second channel. And it is Pete and Kate's eBay flippers in the RV life. I had to look at it behind here because it's just so long. But I'm going to put the links down to both of their pages down below. Go check them out. Go subscribe to them and tell them that Yinzer sent you. But I'm going to show you what they sent me. And they sent this to me so I can hang up behind me for when we're doing our live streams and doing some videos. So I'm going to find a cool place to hang it probably up on this board. But it looks like a fence. Got a nice little hanger up here for it. But Yinzer Picker on a fence. That is so cool. And I can't wait to hang it up back here, and I can't wait for it to be part of the video. Can't wait for the kids to come home and actually see this too, because they're going to think this is pretty cool. But we appreciate it, guys. You guys did not have to send this to us, but we're going to get this hung up because we're on a live tonight, which by the time you see this, that live will already be over. But this will be in the live tonight that we're going to be in. So thanks again, guys, so much. Go check out their channels down below. Guys, I do want to thank Kathy's World again for sending that. I'm going to put a link down in the description for her page and also her husband's page where they travel across the U.S. in their RV. So go check them out down below. Go subscribe to them and tell them Yinzer sent you. Okay, guys, so the next item going out are these Airwick Essential Oils Coconut and Pineapple 2-pack. We got $6.99 plus shipping for these. We picked these up at Walmart in the clearance aisle for $1.50. We got a bunch of other different scents, but this was the only one of this one. I wish there was more because I think this scent probably does really well. But hey, $1.50 into $6.99. We'll take that every day with these. Then we sold 2 DVDs. These have been sitting here for a while, and the one set does better than the other. So we got the Mike and Molly 5th season and 4th season right here, brand new sealed. I don't remember where I picked these up at. I might have got these at Goodwill for like 50 cents or 75 cents, or I really don't remember. But on the 4th season, this one we accepted an offer. We had it listed at $29. We accepted an offer for $23 for season 4. So if you happen to see this one, I'm not sure why season 4 sells for so much. This one, season 5, we got $6.24. So I'm not too sure what the difference. I never watched this show, so I'm not 100% sure why season 4 was better than season 5. So, but keep your eyes out for Mike and Molly. It's always easy too. Sometimes I was actually going to bundle these up together, and I didn't, and they still sold. So we're happy with that. This one, especially, 23 bucks. Can't beat that. The grand total that the buyer spent was $29.24 plus shipping. These are actually going to go in a priority mail envelope. Since he did pay for both shippings, I'm just going to send it out priority mail. And he should have this in about 2 days. So guys, that's all we have for you today, or for all these what solds. I hope you like this different format that I did where I was showing you the item and I put a few days together instead of doing just one video. We're just showing you some pictures. I think I'd rather show the items. I kind of think it was a little bit easier, and I think it actually helped me out with my time too, where I just edited a couple videos here and there, put them together, and it just seemed like to make it simple. I kind of like this format. So comment below if you like this format better than the other format. Because with the other format, I had a screenshot and just keep putting things in, and I think I like this format better. But comment below and let me know what you think. So hopefully everybody has a great weekend out there. We are going tomorrow to a 60-mile garage sale in Ohio. It's the Route 7 garage sale. So if any of you happen to be out in Ohio on the Route 7 garage sale tomorrow, I think it goes Hubbard County up to Conneaut. If you guys happen to be out there and you happen to see us, say hi. I reached out to a couple of you guys that I knew were in Ohio, and I heard you guys weren't going, but it's all good. Hopefully we still run into somebody. So until next time, guys, remember, stay safe, stay healthy, be kind, and keep picking, guys. Bye.